In this video, I will show you how to generate 100s of audios with AudioStack. I am Reagan, one of the synthetic voices. With a swift search and a click, you enter the digital domain of audio innovation at audiostackai. Welcome awaits at the login, sign-up gateway. Once inside, the adventure truly begins. Together, we'll explore the depths of AudioStack. We'll sample its finest workflows. So let's dive in and see what wonders await. Step into the heart of AudioStackai's home tab, where the dashboard and workflows await your exploration. On the dashboard, you'll find a quick peek at various workflows, along with a glimpse of your credit usage and recent activity. Need to level up? There's a handy upgrade button waiting for you. Plus, shortcut buttons for generating APIs and checking the dose are just a click away. Now, onto the workflows page where all the magic happens. Here, you'll discover everything you need to produce, edit, and generate audio masterpieces. It's your toolkit for unleashing creativity and bringing sound to life. Welcome to the captivating world of AudioStackai's content page. Dive into the Resources tab, where you can effortlessly upload your audio files and raw voice recordings, neatly organized into customizable folders for easy access and storage. But wait, there's more. Venture into the speech page where the enchantment of voice cloning awaits. Experience the wonder of replicating voices with ease, all available to you for free within the realms of AudioStack. Enter the captivating world of development within the depths of AudioStack.ai. Here, in the development tabs, lies the key to unlocking the mysteries of documentation and generating your API. All for free. But that's not all. Discover a treasure trove of quick start guides, your trusty companions in navigating through all the functionalities AudioStackai has to offer. Welcome to the Account tab, your gateway to organization and insights. Here, delve into the Organizations tab to get a quick overview of users, activities, and credits spent. Then, journey to the Billings and Plans page to discover your subscription details and uncover the riches AudioStack has in store for you. Of course, AudioStackai has got your back. Just head over to the Help tab for any concerns or queries you may have, and they'll be right there to assist you. Now let's experience the magic of AudioStackai workflows. Let's see how fast it will produce audio. In here, you will paste your script and quick look of character used. First voice here is Ren, a male I voice. Let's hear him out.
Hello, I am Ren, one of the English synthetic voices. My style is upbeat, confident, and fast. Try me out with your own script and find the perfect voice for your project. Here in AudioStackai, we have wide selection of voice AIs. For fast and easy selection of voices, it was already filtered by language, accent, provider, styles, gender, and age bracket.
We have also here, option for background sound of the audio. And here are the list of the audios being generated already. As of this moment, we have 3. We already cleared the audios here. We'll try how fast AudioStackai will generate different audios with different voices in a minute. As you can see on the process, paste your script, choose an AI voice, and generate. As easy as that. To generate more, just repeat the process. In just a minute, we can generate up to 6 audios with different voices.
Do not be anxious about anything.
But those who hope in the Lord will renew their The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not.
I can do all this through him who gives me strength.
Trust in the Lord with all your.
For God so loved the world that he gave his one and
Ready to elevate your audio projects to the next level? Look no further than AudioStack AI. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time.